In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an online poll to your Wix website. This is a great way to engage your visitors, collect feedback, or even run simple surveys, and the process is really straightforward. First, open your Wix dashboard and go to the Wix App Market. This is where you can find different apps that add extra features to your site. Once you're in the app market, use the search bar and type in poll. You will see several poll apps appear, each with different features, designs, and pricing options. Take a moment to review the descriptions and ratings so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. When you've selected the app you want, click Add to Site. Wix will guide you through a quick installation process. Just follow the on-screen steps, and the poll will be added directly to your website editor. From there, you can drag and place the poll anywhere on your page. Now it's time to customize it. Open the poll settings and edit your question, answer choices, and voting options. You can usually control whether users can select one or multiple answers. And you can also style the poll to match your website, adjusting colors, fonts, and layout so it blends in nicely. Once everything looks good, preview your site to make sure the poll works the way you want it to. And when you're happy with the result, hit publish so your visitors can start responding. And that's it, you've successfully added an online poll to your Wix website. It's a simple but powerful way to interact with your audience and learn more about what they think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.